This is a Porsche Carrera 911. This is going to be for a demonstration on how to use the Ghost, change the password, so on and so forth. So if I simply switch ignition on, what we're going to do is we're going to change the password first. So what we're going to do is we're going to existing password is this driver's window 4 times. It'll give us our flashes to confirm. Now what I'll do is on my accelerator, place my foot all the way down to the floor, and then I'm going to enter the existing password again, and it'll give me my flash to confirm. There we go. So now I'm going to release my foot off the pedal, and now it will continue to flash as it's in learning mode. So what we'll do now is we can change the password. So I'm going to use the existing password again, obviously as a demonstration. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it will flash 3 times up here, and then I'll do the same password again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will flash twice to confirm. That's it. And then all I do is I just switch the vehicle off, and that is saved for the new password. So I'm going to enter my password again. So if I enter the password to try it working. There we go. So now, if you ever want to enter service mode, all you must do is start the vehicle as you have, enter your password for the current vehicle, which I did, gave me the flashes, and you drive to wherever you're getting the car serviced or MOT or whichever you're doing. Once you arrive at the destination, you leave the engine on exactly as it is, and then you're just simply going to use this driver's window button 5 times as a service mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it'll flash 5 times up here, and that is the system off. So I switch the vehicle off, you hand them the vehicle keys, and they can carry out their work or do whichever the case may be. Once you collect in the vehicle now, all you must do is switch the vehicle on as normal and enter your current password, and then it will give me my 2 flashes as confirmation, and that's it. And that is now back out of service mode. So any problems, any queries, just give us a call and we'll be happy to help.